How to earn and redeem Sam's Cash with Sam's Club Mastercard. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started with the video. So basically what you can do is basically first of all log in into your Sam Club account. You can open up the Sam's Club app or the website for that. And from here you can go to your account dashboard and check the Sam's Cash section. So look out for that section within your application, which should be available from the menu here. Look out for the menu in the top left corner. And from here, select the option called Sam's Cash. And there you may just go ahead and look out for the Sam's Cash that you would like to redeem. There you will be able to view your current balance, so you can apply your Sam's Cash at checkout in store or online. You can redeem for actual Sam's Club register. You can use your Sam's Cash balance to renew your Sam's Club membership. And always use your Sam's Club Mastercard for cash and dining to hit those 5% and 3% categories, and combine with Sam's Club Plus membership for even more savings and cash back on purchases. And that's it. That's how you earn and redeem Sam's Cash within the Sam's Club Mastercard. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money saving tips. Thank you for watching, and we will be seeing you in the next one.